I'm the host, Kristen Hazard, founder and CEO of Wildnote. Today is very cool. It is the culmination of 5 years of wetland improvements. So I like to say slow and steady wins the race. That means each field season, we talk to our users, get their feedback, and then go back and make improvements for the next field season. In addition to our wetland delineation improvements, we have added 3 agency-specific modules: ordinary high water mark, CRAM, and success criteria for restoration performance indicators. That's 3 new agency-ready reporting modules within our wetland product line. So now on the Wildnote platform, you can successfully execute CRAM baseline assessments, wetland delineations, ordinary high water marks, and restoration monitoring with success criteria reporting. And that's just in our wetland product line. Okay, let me nerd out here a little bit for the wetland delineation improvements. We added a thing called NI indicator status, so that if there's no indicator status published by the Army Corps for that particular plant, for that particular region, we now set that to NI, and we treat those as upland for the calculations. You have the ability to control whether you want to display common plant names in your final export to the Corps. Some people like that, some people don't. So we added a flag so you can do whichever one you want. We have integrated now with both Trimble R1 and Aero EOS for higher integration GPS accuracy. The ability to override dominance test and prevalence index worksheets also has been implemented. Why? Well, it turns out that if the wetland point has passed dominance, some of you practitioners don't want prevalence filled out at all. So we built that nuance in place. And finally, you can have access to soil web and national hydrography data set from your mobile device out in the field.